Hello everyone, Digfig here, and welcome! In this video, we're going to be doing another unboxing, and if you watched my last one, you might know what's in this one, because I'm super excited about it, and I teased it a little in that one. But this thing is huge for me. I've wanted one for a while. My GTX 1080 was kind of starting to slow down. Red Dead Redemption 2 came out, requires insane graphics cards. Ghost Recon Breakpoint came out, requires crazy graphics cards to be at high FPS. And I want to keep doing my videos in nice 60 FPS with good graphics, so it looks good for everyone. I'm starting to struggle. So without further ado, I introduce everyone here to my brand new RTX 280 Ti. That's right, everyone. Ti. I understand that I think next year at some point the Supers are coming out, so I was kind of hesitant to buy this, but there's just all the games nowadays. My 1080 just can't handle the recording and the editing and all of that stuff combined, so the channel got a giant upgrade for everybody. That's all I gotta say to that one. Looks like to get into this, I guess I can show off the box a little. I don't just need to cut into it immediately. This one came with the dent in the corner, but it's supposed to be cut off, unlike my last video where someone at some point threw my Stadia box against a wall in the corner. But it just says EVGA on the front, back, side, left, right. All the stats on that. Hopefully I'm not showing any labels I'm not supposed to show. I think they're all probably on the inside and on top here. So it should be good, but yeah, this is a 280 Ti, everyone. A black edition. Didn't go for any like the $2,000 ones. Don't really see the need for that quite yet. It is a pretty box, and I think this is by far the biggest graphics card box I have ever had. It's quite big. I am a huge fan of EVGA. Let me know what you guys think is the best graphics card maker. I'm looking at the box and pointing all weirdly at the camera. So we're just gonna pop this over here. Let's take this little knife here and just slice that little label there. Oh, hurts my soul, but it's open. So here goes the opening of the 280. A little bit quiet here as we try and figure out what way this wants to be pulled out. I think it wants to be pulled out this way based on the feeling I can get inside there. Let's stick our finger in the bottom. Yes, we can. Help break that seal right here. Normally I like to put the box over here or something, but this is a really big box and my desk is not that big. Let's scoot over a little. Let's see what we can get into here. Looks like it does open this way. So this will be perfect for you guys to get the first view instead of me. Oh, we just have foam. That's what I expect for a graphics card though. Let me choke myself with the cardboard box. I know you guys can't see it, but this box is all up in my face because this thing is huge for my little desk. Nice little foam insert here. They protected this thing better than I've seen most graphics cards protected. And I guess for how much this damn thing costs, that's a really good thing. Got a little booklet here. It says GeForce GTX RTX on it. Apparently it's the installation guide here. It's odd for me to think that people still need this, but I understand that there's a lot of new people getting into PC gaming every year. But just kind of like that mentality of being older and kind of what you consider common sense because you've installed so many graphics cards. But it is very nice that they include this. It tells you all the ports, everything to do with it. Hopefully I can fit all 4 monitors into this and I don't need anything. I'm gonna try and figure this box out. I need to find a way to get my fat ass in here so I can see what's going on. Okay. Not perfect. My belly's kind of squishing the lid here, so I'm a big guy. But it happens. Let's see if I can make everyone cringe and just pull out this static bag and holy shit, this is a monster graphics card. You see the size of, I'm 6'3", 370 pounds, and this thing is I mean, it's bigger than half my body. I'm a huge guy. Wow. Let me put this on the foam insert over here. Hold that there. Is there anything underneath all this foam? Or is this going to be a super short and simple unboxing because they didn't put no frills? Oh, that little lip there holds this in. Touche. So this is not meant to come out. So there are no thrills, no frills, doesn't seem like anything fancy about, whoa. Because all my other graphics cards, I believe, have come with the power cables, and other little adapters and things. So it's very odd. But this just comes with absolute nothingness. But I guess it has been a while. The last graphics card I got was the GTX 1080, and that came with fancy stuff. Let's see if we can pry this out. Yeah, absolutely nothing else. Just a big old empty black box. Well, here I was thinking I'd have some fancy stuff to show everyone. And alas, I don't. But either way, this is a huge upgrade for the channel. All these videos are going to be crazy. Attention! Electrostatic sensitive. Do not enter without proper equipment. Yeah. I got a knife. Is that proper equipment, everyone? Watch me like break it and void my warranty. Then they check out my video and they're like, you opened it like a fucking dumbass. Like, yeah, I understand. I wasn't grounded. So, touche. Should get a grounding clip to touch this thing. So we're going to pull this out and I'm going to show you guys. Prepare for some cringe moments, everyone, if you are all about electronics here. Sorry about static bag noise. Now this thing is a beast. This is by far the most powerful and probably the most expensive graphics card I have ever bought or owned in my life. Before this, like I said, it was probably the GTX 1080, and I don't mean that like in no shit it's the most powerful, it's like the newest one you've ever bought. I mean like in relative comparison to when I bought it, this is by far the most high-end thing I've ever had. Now you're gonna pair this with my AMD 3900, I think I got, right? That's what that thing is over there. I don't know, let's make shit up anywhere. My PC's a monster now, and I love it. So we're gonna place this on the static bag here. Just kind of leave here. I don't even know where to begin with this thing, guys. What are we looking at for? You guys want to see some adapter ports here? 1, 2, 3, 4. DP, DP, HDMI, DP. So I should be able to fit all 4 of my monitors in here. I am going to have to find another adapter though for my top monitor, because my top monitor is absolutely ancient and still uses the old like DVI plugs, which are not gonna fit in here. Huh. That's fine though. I'll also have to find a DP plug for that thing. But either way, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this unboxing. It's got the 2 fans on the front. The back, if you guys can see here, is this. It's a hard metal plate. Looks like it's a radiator of some sort. It's meant to either protect it or help vent heat even faster. It feels almost like aluminum, I would say. But either way, this thing is huge. It's a freaking monster. And thank you guys all so much again. You guys helped me buy this. Helped make it not hurt quite as bad as it probably should have. I mean, it still hurt like hell. But either way, I really do appreciate all the support, guys. And I hope it keeps up. It's going to make some really sick videos with this thing. Promise you guys that. And I guess we are just going to swap our screens here. And thank you guys so much. I mean, it means the world to me. You guys are awesome. I hope I don't let you all down. And anyways, guys, I got my headphones on for whatever reason for this. Normally, I don't wear them for unboxings. But I guess I just want to be like some part of my persona, I guess. It's my Sennheiser headphones. But I just keep ranting here, guys, because this thing is amazing. It's got me all like flustered. I'm so excited to freaking rock this thing. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Digfig, yeah!